Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Guys, in this video I am going to show you the pancake swap problems issue. Mostly guys are facing problems during swapping. uh, they show their options, enter an amount or output error. A lot of errors are coming in pancake swap during swapping from one token to another token. If you withdraw token, they also showing us errors, or sometime uh, you can increase your gas fees. And here is a note from the Binance. Smart chain is experiencing issue with many transactions failing. If you are having trouble, try increasing your transactions gas price fees in your wallet app when you submit them. In this video I am going to show you how you can do that. So let's start. Where you have 1%, 0.5% and 1% is your slippage tolerance, slippage tolerance. When you increasing your slippage tolerance, it means that you are increasing your gas fees. I think so. So let's try. Let's say I'm going to show you which coins I'm going to. Let's suppose I have 100x coins, which are uh, almost 11.8, equal to $11.82. I want to swap these to my BNB smart chain. Let's go to your D app, PancakeSwap, and then here I want to select 100 bin. I have total this amount, so I want to shift. Let's suppose here is it is 84243 4424300. Okay, I want to shift this into USDT. Here, these are equal to $4. If I increase this, 5 5 8 6 6 7 $7. I have total $11 equal to. I want to shift $10. Yeah, I want to transact $10 from there. So I want to select your BNB smart chain, slippage. Then it's approve 100x. First of all, you have to approve. Here are your gas fees. Let's check. These are swapping, approving. Approving must be takes sometimes. Let's see what is the slippage. It's almost 1%. Wait for a while. Here, minimum fee received is 0.0155 BNB, and the price impact is uh, zero point zero 0.01 less than. The price impact is the difference between the market price and the estimated price due to the trade size. I hope you guys understand. Wait for a while, bro. See guys, it approved. Here you can see, guys, it's takes some time. Means it's takes 5 to 10 minutes. You have to be patient. So let's swap. Let's see what error they are showing. Here, this is the error. So I take a screenshot. This transaction cannot be succeed due to the error PancakeRouter insufficient output amount. Means guys, you have to change your slippage. Means I have 3, so let's I have select 5, then swap. Means no. Here is a price impact. You see, when it changes at some slippage, then it will proceed it. I have select 7, so let's see. I hope so it's done. Oh, not, no, no guys. I am showing you live how you can solve your issue. I select 110. So let's try now. Here, no, it's not. I think so. It will go with 11. Yeah. No, 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 no. It's going to be some error. Confirm, sir. Yeah. Accept update price. Yeah. This one. When you select the slippage 12 or 11, then it accept my request. Here is it. Then it's transaction submitted. So let's check whether my 100x coin is shifted to Binance Chain or not. Let's check on Binance Scan. Here my transactions are pending. So let's check on my wallet. Here it's not shifted, it's pending on pending. More detail check on the status. Here it's on pending status, pending. Let's see whether it is where it is. So I try to reload this. Guys, I'm showing you live how you can solve your issue. No, again and again it's not showing. Again it's pending. Let's wait for a while, guys. Again refresh. See guys, I have received more $9 from swapping. I hope guys you understand. Uh, See from 100x it will be sent to my smart chain. Here it is, my transactions. Let's see. Here this is okay. I think okay. These are succeeded. Let's see. I hope you guys understand. If you guys are feeling uh, taking more and facing more problems, then you can comment me and ask me anything. I will help you. Thanks.